have a big zipper going up and down all around the bend. You could have a bumper car, Bobby. This amusement never ends. Hey. I wanna be your sledgehammer. Why don't you call my name? Oh, better call the sledgehammer. Let there be no doubt about it. Sledge, yeah, sledgehammer. I kick the habit, I kick the habit, shed my skin, shed my skin. This is the new stuff, this is the new stuff. I go dancing in, yeah, you. I've been feeding the rhythm, I've been feeding the rhythm. Gonna feel that power, yeah, built into you. Oh, come on, help me too. Come on, help me too. Yeah, do.
Give it up for Johnny and Nolan in a battle for Team Adam, trying to move into the knockout rounds. Nice work, fellas. Let's get some thoughts from our coaches. Mr. Shelton, we'll start with you.
That was a very evenly matched battle. Because you were a four-chair turn, I was like, oh, Nolan's going to come out here and kill it, you know, and you did. And so maybe that's to Johnny's credit, because I just wasn't expecting that from you. I really feel like you stepped up. And also, one of life's great mysteries is how in the hell that hat stays on your head. Anyway, for those two reasons, I think I would go with Johnny.
All right, Blake, thank you very much, I think. Alicia.
Yeah, I felt like you kind of came out and you started to rev your engines up, and then both of y'all started to work the stage, and I started to really feel you more and more, and that was a great evolution to witness. So nice work, good job. Nolan, I got a good sense of a very special voice there, so I would go with Nolan today.
Thank you, Alicia.
Thank you.
Miley Cyrus.
That was an awesome job because those harmonies were so tight. I turned for you, Nolan, and I'm still a huge fan, but I think I might have to agree with Blake for Johnny. You as a performer was really interesting, and also I think I was just shocked because I didn't remember you sounding like that, so it was really cool to watch.
All right, Adam, there you go. Final decision is yours, buddy.
I'm just so proud of you guys for putting in the work. You captured the spirit of what the song was supposed to do. Choosing one over the other doesn't seem fair when both deserve to be rewarded, but I have to choose one.
Adam, who is the winner of this battle?
The task at hand was completed fully by the both of you. I love you and respect you both for that. I want to go with the person I feel the most connected to as far as what I think I can offer this person. The winner of this battle is Nolan.
Nolan's going to move on to knockout rounds, representing Team Adam.
Hey everybody, thank you for checking out Team Adam. Click over here to subscribe to the Voice channel so you can be the first to see all the newest performances. I'm Carson Daly.